Hi, I'm John Atkinson. I'm a resident of Cardiff. I've been down here since 1980. When I left from London, where I originally come from, the outskirts of that. I came down as a civil servant. I moved into the private sector, into international trade insurance. I've been made redundant since that, since I don't speak German. The Germans took over the firm. But I was spending my time nowadays in a lot of amateur dramatics, a bit of extra work, a bit of film work for the local film school, and now particularly enthusiastic about being involved in a provincial life.
And how did you get involved with the Provincial life?
Well, I just heard about it through an informal contact, and in fact it was somebody who was directing me when I was doing some work with the local musical theatre company for youngsters. And that director said, you ought to get involved, they're looking for people around about your age.
And what's your experience working with Peter Gill so far?
Well, it's quite special working with somebody who's well known as Peter Gill. I've worked with professional directors before, but never any as prestigious as Peter. What particularly struck me right from the very beginning was how sort of natural he was. Somebody who's not sort of arrogant. He's got clear ideas about things, obviously, but open to suggestion, not afraid to change his mind, which I think is really good. And it's particularly gratifying that he likes to work with people generally, so he likes to merge in the ensemble people with the full-time professional actors, and so it makes a very interesting mix to me.